Welcome to everyone. I am Mrs. K. Kritika, Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about Python programming and practices. In this, I am going to explain the concept of tuple. A tuple is a sequence of immutable Python objects or elements. Tuples are sequences just like a list. The only difference between the tuple and list are tuples cannot be changed. Whenever the tuple is created, we cannot change the elements present inside the list, inside the tuples. Tuples are immutable and tuples are created by using the parentheses, and lists are created by using the square brackets. So lists are mutable and tuples are immutable. Lists are created by using the square brackets and tuples are created by using the parentheses. For creating the tuple is a simple way, the same as like a list. For example, in this you can see that tuple 1 that contains the physics, chemistry and 1997 and 2000. So same like list, tuple also that supports the different data types. The empty tuple is written as two parentheses that contains the any values. The values in the tuples are separated by using the comma. To write the tuple containing a single value, have to include the comma even though there is only one value. Like a string indices, tuple indices also start from the 0, and tuples can be sliced, concatenated and so on. Accessing the values in the tuples. To access the values in the tuples, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain the values available at the index. For example, tuple 1 that contains the values of physics, chemistry, 1997 and 2000. The tuple 2 that contains the values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I print the tuple of 1 from 0 value to the tuple of 1 to the 0 value, that is 0 to 0. Second, I print the tuple of 2, 1 is to 5 and tuple of 2, 1 is to 15. For the result is tuple of 0 is physics and 1 is 2, 5 is 2, 3, 4, 5. The starting value will be 1, that will be eliminated, and the position of 1 that having the value of 2, 2 to 5 will be displayed. Next, updating the tuples. Tuples are immutable, which means you cannot be update them or change the values of tuple elements, but we able to take the portions of existing tuples to create a new tuples as well as. The tuple 1 that having the value of 12, 34.56. Tuple 2 having the value of ABC and XYZ. Now we can concatenate two tuples, tuple 1 and tuple 2, and produce the new tuple. Delete tuple elements. Remove the individual tuple element is not possible if first nothing wrong with the putting together another tuple with the undesirable elements or discarded. For example, remove the entire tuple, you can use the del statement. Basic tuple operations. The tuple responds to the concatenation and repetitions, that is plus and multiply operators like a strings. In fact, tuples responds to all the general sequences operations we are using the strings. The expressions for the Python expressions are length of 1, 2, 3 means the result is 3. The description is you have to find the number of elements, number of items present in this inside the tuples. The second operation is concatenation. You have to add two different tuples. And third one is repetition. I have to repeat the statement hi inside the tuple into 4 times. And membership functions, whether the element is present inside the tuple or not, and finally iterations. So the length, for length, concatenation, repetitions, membership and iterations are the different operations that are associated with the tuples. But remove, insert and update are not present inside the tuples. Indexing, slicing and matrices. Because the tuples are sequence, indexing and slicing work the same way of tuples they do for the strings. Assume the following inputs, L having the spam, and spam. You can see the different letters. The first description is for starting the value will be set as 0. -2 means the negative count, final one, and 1 it is starting value, the ending value not provided. No enclosing delimitaries. Any sets of multiple objects or comma separator written without identifying the symbols or brackets for list, parentheses or tuples, etc. Default to tuples at indices. Short examples. This will be reduced as the following result. You cannot mention any parenthesis for tuple. The built-in tuple functions are comparisons, finding the length of the tuple and return the maximum value and minimum value and convert the list into tuple. Tuple is a keyword. Hope you understand about the tuple operations on tuples, indexing and slicing operations on tuple. Thank you.